Frequent use on building sites will inevitably lead to damage of the formwork facing. Thanks to long-life repair, Alcus provides the possibility of repairing the facing using the same material without any loss of quality. The damaged section is prepared for the repair work by cleaning away any dirt and formwork oil residues with a paint scraper. Protrusions from nail holes and smaller impurities are removed quickly and simply with the paint scraper. The melted polypropylene is applied to the damaged area with an extruder. Protruding material is removed with a paint remover and planed with a paint scraper. Holes with a diameter up to 30 mm can be repaired with a plug. To do so, a hole is drilled with a step drill. A plastic hammer is then used to drive the plug into the hole. The remaining protrusion is then simply removed with a paint remover and paint scraper, as in the case with normal repairs. The plugs, like the panel itself, are made of polypropylene. Therefore, future damages in the area of the plug can also be repaired easily, using the extruder. As the core and the surface are made of the same material, damaged tie holes can also be repaired with identical material. When doing so, the aluminium repair cone is inserted into the tie hole as a shaper, after which the damaged area is filled with an extruder. The result: a tie hole repaired with exactly the same material.
Meva, más que solo encofrado.